What's going on, guys? My name is Jonathan Chrysler, coming at you from Maui, Hawaii. I'm going to tell you a little bit about who I am and why I'm making these videos. So I am 21 years old. I started doing Forex about 3 years ago when I was 18. When I was introduced, I was fresh out of high school. I barely graduated at a 2.4 GPA. I just thought I wasn't smart enough to do anything that made money until my friend introduced me to Forex, and I just became addicted. That's actually how I got here into Hawaii. I got to a point in my trading to where I can go to a place like this, focus on what's important to me instead of stressing over a job that doesn't mean anything to me. So I'm gonna get into it right here. I'm gonna share my screen. I'm gonna go over some Forex basics. So what is Forex? Forex is short for foreign exchange. It is the global market that allows us to exchange one currency for another. So a lot of us who've traveled have actually already traded in the foreign exchange markets. So let's say you're going to Italy for vacation. You need to exchange your US dollars for euros since that's what they use in Italy. So you're going to the foreign exchange booth or currency exchange booth right here. You're gonna hand in your US dollars in exchange for euros. So right now the current exchange rate is for every US dollar, you'll get 86 euro cents. So you hand in $1,000 and they give you 860 euros, and that's your budget for the vacation. So you fly over to Italy, you find yourself in nature, and for whatever reason, you end up spending no money, you found inner peace, you detached from all materialism, so you spent no money on your vacation. So now you're flying back to the United States, you go back to the currency exchange booth to hand in your euros for your US dollars. So while you were gone, the exchange rate changed from 86 euro cents to 76 euro cents. So your 860 euros is no longer worth 1,000 US dollars, it's now worth $1,116. So you just made $116 doing absolutely nothing. So how do we do that? How do we do that on purpose, and how can we do that from our house, from our phones? So there's a few facts I'm gonna tell you guys right here about Forex. The Forex markets are open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. So if you can't sleep at night, you need something to do, you can be on your phone, on your laptop, on your computer, looking at these financial markets, entering in trades at any time of the day. Forex has $5 trillion of volume moved every single trading day. Let's compare that to S&P 500, which daily volume is only $3.275 billion. And let's see, $3 billion versus $5 trillion. You can see just how big of a difference there is from Forex to stocks. There's a lot more earning potential in Forex than there is with stocks. Minimum deposits are usually only $100 for most trusted brokers. So that means there's a very low barrier of entry to get started if this is something that interests you. You can profit off the price of a currency going up or down. So if the markets are going through a huge crash, you can make a lot of money off of that. When Brexit recently happened and the euro just collapsed, people made millions and billions of dollars off that collapse of the market. So we don't have to rely on the markets being good. We can trade just based off what we see. So what do you need to get started trading? First thing you need is a brokerage account. This doesn't mean you need to hire a broker that you don't know or trust. You're independent of him, you don't need him. There's plenty of online brokers that you can sign up for yourself on your home. You just need some documents such as your proof of address. Next thing you need is MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 is a trading platform that connects your laptop, your phone, your computer, whatever, to your brokerage account. They have platforms, like I said, on desktop, computer, iPhone, Android, and tablet. So it's easy to get connected no matter where you are in the world. And then the next thing, it's optional. Some people don't use this, but I highly recommend Tradingview. Tradingview allows you to look at financial charts, candlestick charts. You can look at stocks, cryptocurrencies, currency pairs, anything financially related on here. It's newer, it's fresher than MetaTrader 4. There's updates for it constantly. It's community driven. So that's really why I like Tradingview. On the next video, we're going to talk about how to use MetaTrader 4, how to set up a demo account so you can play with fake money so you don't have to risk your own money while you're learning. I'm also going to teach you how to enter in a trade so you can start practicing on your own. And I'm also going to go over how to use Tradingview, how you can draw markups on the chart so you can start doing your own analysis and learn how these professionals mark up charts. Thank you guys for checking out this introductory video, and I hope to see you on the next one.